Hey everyone, today I'm in Coimbra. And to be honest, my first impression wasn't that great. At first glance, the city feels a bit overwhelming. Steep hills, endless staircases, and streets so narrow that barely a car can pass. But will this impression change? Stick around, because we're about to explore Coimbra together. Let's start in the historic centre. A lively area full of local shops, restaurants, bars, and cafes. It's the perfect spot to take a break, grab a snack, and soak in the atmosphere. And of course, I had to try the local food. I ordered a traditional dish called chanfana, goat meat marinated in wine and spices, slow-cooked for over 8 hours. The taste? Absolutely amazing. So when you come to Coimbra, make sure to try it. Next stop, the old cathedral, or Velha. Built in 1170, right after the Battle of Ourique, when Afonso Henriques declared himself the first king of Portugal. The details are stunning. But what impressed me the most was the upper portal. It's literally a masterpiece. Just across the street, I found a little antique shop, and I couldn't resist buying a piece of old Chinese porcelain. Then came the big climb, up to the University of Coimbra. It's one of the oldest universities in the world, and every year it attracts thousands of visitors. Many people call it the real-life Hogwarts. The students' traditional outfits, black capes, white shirts and ties, look a lot like the uniforms from Harry Potter. And the historic buildings only add to that magical atmosphere. At the heart of the university lies the Joanina Library, a Baroque treasure with more than 60,000 books, considered one of the most beautiful libraries in the world. Unfortunately, filming inside wasn't allowed, but I left some tips for visiting in my Coimbra travel guide, linked in the description. And if you need a break from the city, check out the Botanical Garden of Coimbra. Founded in 1772, it covers over 13 hectares of green space, perfect for a peaceful walk, to relax and recharge. The greenhouse here also hosts hundreds of plant species from all around the world. So in the end, I have to admit, I completely changed my mind about Coimbra. It's not just a city of hills and stairs. It's a place full of history, charm, and unforgettable experiences. If you want more info, download my Coimbra travel guide through the QR code or the link in the description. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions about Coimbra. See you on the next trip.